A toddler in southwest China nearly lost his eye after a screwdriver got stuck in his head. The 3-year-old boy started playing with the screwdriver after finding it at his relative's home in Chongqing on January 27. Concerned for his safety, the child's father tried to take the tool away from him. Refusing to give it up, the boy started running around the house when he slipped and fell on the shaft of the screwdriver, resulting in a 4 cm, 1.5-inch deep injury in his skull. The child was immediately transferred to Chongqing 3 Georges Central Hospital, where he underwent emergency surgery to remove the screwdriver. "We were just finishing Chinese New Year dinner at a relative's home when he found the screwdriver and started playing with it," the boy's mother told Chongqing News. "His father saw our son playing with the tool and yelled at him to put it down, but he didn't listen," she said. "My husband then started chasing my son around the house, and that's when he fell on the screwdriver and it got stuck in his head." Dr. Xie Yimin said that the tool had entered the skull near the child's right eye and became lodged in the gap between the frontal bone and temporal bone. If it had been stuck 1 to 2 centimeters to the side, the patient would have lost his eye, Dr. Xie told reporters. He added that the child could also have been left paralyzed on one side of the body. Medical staff conducted an emergency operation and successfully extracted the sharp tool. The boy is currently recovering well in hospital following surgery, according to the report.